Hi everyone, my name is Sunandini and I'm back with my another video which is related to fashion. Oh man, that feels so good as I'm from fashion background, so I thought to create something related to that today. And whosoever is not subscribed my channel yet, so please go and subscribe my channel. So yeah, in today's video I'm sharing some outfit ideas from where you get some inspiration. If you are a college going student, you can easily wear these kind of outfit ideas as these are modest, so you're not revealing and showing any skin. It would be perfect for those who like to dress modest, and I try to create some looks here to help you. Rest without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Hi guys, here is my first look. As you all can see, I'm styling this with my black belt. So here we go. As it's my favorite shade, so I decided to create my first look on this shade with this colorful striped top. Hope you like the look. Now we come up with the second look. So as you all can see, it's a comfy, cute, casual outfit for the college going girls. So yes, as you can see, I'm loving this a lot. So for this look, I paired this halter neck with black tights and accessorized with black bag with white sneakers. And for the great look, I tried to tie a denim shirt over my waist. This is my third look, as it's filled with white shade, so definitely this is going to be my favorite. So yes, I styled this Air Force blue wide denim with this gray flats. As you all can see, this white top is slightly deep from the front, so I tried to style this with brown tube with this brown bag. Here we have the fourth look. As you all can see, it's denim on denim, so I styled this sports top with denim jacket and button up ribbed denim. For accessorize, I styled this hair tie, cute hair tie with pink lace shoe. So now it's time for fifth look. As you all can see in this outfit, I tried to play with my check shirt with this mom denim along with unicorn shade flats. Although I love this geometrical pattern bag and hairstyle too. This is the comfy outfit. Yes, here is the sixth look. So this is all mustard with this black bell bottom trouser. I love the detailing over the waist. Definitely it's my happy color. You can symbolize this look with any shade. Which is your favorite? Now it's the seventh look. So as you all can see, it's again a denim on denim, and there is a quite neon pink detailing over the top. So I tried to style this with pink lace shoe with this pink hair tie. So here we come with the eighth look. This rust top complementing this brown bag a lot, and yes, I clubbed this with my white black denim. Post the classes, if you decided to go for a day out, so you can definitely opt for this look. This is simple yet classy. So here is the ninth look. As it's similar to formal look, so I styled this Peter Pan collar top with this formal pant, and yes, this formal bag complement this look a lot. Here we have the last look, I mean the 10th outfit. So for this outfit, I decided to pair this snake print top with this white black denim, and here both the bag and flats complementing each other a lot. Post the college, if you decided to go out somewhere and for any celebration, so you can definitely go for this look. This will do a fabulous job. So that's all for this video. Let me know what you think about it and was that be helpful or not. Also, if you want me to share more content like this, so tell me over the comment section. Ta-da!